Alright friends, now we will see W mode. So W mode overwrites existing content. That's the main difference between write and append. So I change it. I write W, and then after opening a file, I delete this read content. I can write my file and then write inside the parentheses. I can say this line is added. Normally in my example.txt, what is writing? I love programming. But if I run it, right click and run, we will not print content, sorry. If I run it, you see example.txt, it's just this line is added appears. We removed the X content because the W mode overwrites existing content. If the file doesn't exist, it created. If it is, it overwrites existing content. That's the main difference. And be careful, it will be better, it's right now working, but it will be better if we use close method. Here I open this txt file, I need to close it. So for closing my file, then close. I use close method for closing file operation. You see, I will take same result here. This line is added, just this. Okay, now we learn how to use W mode, write mode in file operation.